Hi, Sterling. Say hi. Say, my name is Sterling, and I am a kinkajou. Ah, yes. Just sweet boy, huh? Yes, you are. Oh, snippy, snippy. Go eat your supper? You gonna go eat your supper? We see you. Hi, Phoebe. Phoebe. Let me touch your paw. I'm gonna touch your other paw. What are you doing? I see you. I see you. I see. Hi. 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 Oh, you getting a drink? I just filled that for you, nice and cold. There you go. And bye-bye. Going to bed? Where are you going? Oh, got stuck on a tree. What are you doing? Are you hanging upside down? Where are you at? There you are. It's kind of dark right there. Kind of dark over there. Hi. You're gonna just stay over there? Sterling. Okay. Say hi. I can hardly see you. Too dark. Too dark. What are you doing? Chinchilla Baba. Okay. You're gonna go finish. You want some food? Are you hungry? Yes? Okay. Okay, here we go. You want a treat? Hmm? You want a treat? There you go. Here. Oops. Forgot I was filming. Here you go. There you go. Not one. Here you go. Here you go. Sterling, you're upside down. Silly boy. So dark. What, you think you want one of these? Yeah. You want one? You want one? Here you go. Yeah, you like those, huh? Oh, you dropped it. Dropped your Birkin. Yep. See you later, Sterling. I gotta get back to feeding. Okay. Bye. I don't see Piper anymore. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.